That's what's happening. How to buy and send USDT on Kraken. So go ahead and open up your Kraken wallet. If you want to buy, just hit trade at the bottom right. Press buy. And select USDT here. And enter the amount and select the payment method below. You can go ahead with Apple Pay. If you have both your credit and debit card inside, just hit send or hit continue, excuse me, and confirm that you want to buy USDT on Kraken. And that way you're just now holding USDT in Kraken wallet. Now, if you want to send Bitcoin, if you want to send USDT, what we're gonna do, we're gonna just go ahead and hit transfer here at the bottom left. Under transfer, you're gonna see withdraw. We want to withdraw or send USDT on chain. So I'm gonna hit withdraw here. Select USDT. Press the network, let's say Tron, into the amount of USDT you want to send. Okay. And the address here below. You can see that I already added an address, but if you haven't, just add withdrawal address. Okay. And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna generate an address from your external wallet, like Exodus, MetaMask, Phantom wallet, whatever, and enter the address here. Okay. And then add the special nickname for that address. Okay, if you're regularly sending USDT from Kraken. So basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.